So let's talk about this Nisi period. What is that Nisi period in a Massachusetts divorce? The Nisi period is a mandatory waiting window or kind of a cooling off period after the judge approves your divorce. It lasts 90 days for a 1B or contested divorce and 120 days for a 1A or uncontested divorce. During this Nisi period, the divorce is not yet final. It becomes absolute automatically when the Nisi period ends, unless one party takes action to prevent it. Now, I'm going to tell you this, and you're probably going to laugh, but a judge is likely going to say at the hearing before this Nisi period kicks off that neither party can get married during this temporary period. Yeah, thanks, Captain Obvious. We get that. Okay, so what's the Nisi period? The Nisi period is a cooling off period built into Massachusetts law. You're not legally divorced on the day the judge approves your agreement. You are in a judgment of divorce nisi, a conditional judgment. If the parties reconcile, can happen during this nisi period, they can file a joint motion to dismiss before that absolute judgment enters. If they later refile, the clock is going to start completely over. New filing, new nisi period, okay? If either party dies during the nisi period, the divorce does not become final. The parties would still be considered legally married with significant implications for inheritance and estate planning. And I talk about all of those things in other videos. Don't panic. Okay. Scenario, you walk out of your hearing thinking you are divorced. Hallelujah. Your attorney explained that you weren't. Not yet. The nisi period has just started. You marked the date. It's a good one. Okay, 120 days later, the absolute judgment of divorce is entered. No hearing, no paperwork, no phone call. It just becomes final simply because of the passage of time. This video is general legal information, not legal advice. So why I do this? I really want to take a second before you go because I think about the people watching these videos probably more than you realize I do. If you found this channel, something about your life is likely in transition. Maybe it's your marriage, maybe it's your kids, maybe it's just trying to figure out how to protect what you've built for the people that you love. I know that at this moment you're searching for answers. The last thing that you need is more confusion. I get this. More legal jargon, more people talking at you instead of to you, with you, for you. That's why I built this channel, to give you real answers in plain English before you ever have to call anyone. Here's what I want for you specifically. I want you to walk away from every video feeling like you understand your situation a little bit better than you did before. Not overwhelmed, but informed. Not scared, but maybe ready. Because here's what I've learned after years of doing this work. Most people going through family law situations are not dealing with something impossible, even though, trust me, I know it feels that way. What makes it feel impossible is not knowing what comes next. What this channel is for is exactly for that. So when you do sit down with an attorney, whether it's me or somebody else, you walk in knowing the right questions to ask. You walk in understanding some of your options. You walk in like someone who already has some footing. That is what you deserve. And that is why I am here to help you. The next step. If today's video answered even one question that you've been carrying around, that's enough. Take it and use it. And if your situation needs more than a video can give, my office is just one call or one click away. We sit down with people really every day who are exactly where you are now, ready to move forward and just needing someone to help them see some sort of path forward. The link is in the description. I really hope I hear from you. I'm attorney Lindsey Egan, and I am here to help you.